Hi, today I'll be showing you how to remove any scooter fork. Alright, first, you want to start by loosening this top nut off your headset. If you have a stock headset, that will be 2. So start loosening it off. Twist off the threads. Once this cap is removed, your fork, you have to take off your headset top cap, your compression ring, or your fork may just slide out. Alright, and your fork should just slide out very nicely. There's your fork. And now to install it back, you will slide your fork up and through. Okay. First step. But make sure your bearings are in. Mine are internal, so they just stay. Slide your compression ring back on. Make sure it's nice and tight and snug. Top cap. And twist your nut back on. That's how you successfully install and take out a fork.